biotech company that is working to diversify and expand access to new ways of diagnosing and treating cancer. With research activities across Africa, Yemaachi leverages the most genetically diverse population on the planet to develop new, affordable diagnostic and therapeutic tools optimized for performance across ethnicities.
Africa is often perceived as a continent defined by its problems, and while it certainly has significant challenges, what is often less acknowledged is the immense potential that exists on the continent. It is my belief that Africa's problems are really only going to be sustainably solved by African people themselves. And so at Yemaachi, we're trying to bring together young Africans from diverse disciplines to tackle a problem that is actually not just an African problem, but is a global problem.
Yemaachi was incorporated in June 2020, and we have grown tremendously over the past year. We recently completed setup of our advanced molecular biology research and diagnostics facility, as well as our technology hub. We have employed a total of 16 incredibly talented and dedicated professionals across our various fields of operations.
Our team has decades of experience in molecular biology, bioinformatics, human genetics, oncology, clinical research, machine learning, software development, finance, and business development. We have extensive experience developing and optimizing molecular testing techniques for a variety of pathogens, including the viruses that put one at risk for certain cancers like liver and cervical cancer.
Cancer is a genetic disease, and like most genetic diseases, it presents with racial and ethnic variations. Genomic data is key to understanding cancer. However, most available genomic data are of European origin, and therefore not representative of Africans. Yemaachi seeks to utilize next-generation tools to study African genomes to identify African-specific markers for cancer diagnosis and treatment.
Cancers are not new to Africa. Unfortunately, in the past few years, there's been an increase in the number of cases diagnosed in Africa. Sadly, people who are diagnosed with cancers in Africa don't have access to molecular diagnosis and targeted therapies. This means that they have a lower survival rate compared to their counterparts in the Western world. At Yemaachi, we strive to provide excellent molecular and cytogenetic diagnosis, which would mean that people of African descent would have their cancers well understood and also receive targeted therapies as those in the Western world do.
We are contributing our molecular diagnostic expertise and tools in the fight against the ongoing pandemic by offering convenient and affordable COVID-19 testing and sequencing services to the general public. We are currently the only private laboratory in Ghana that can tell people what variant of SARS-CoV-2 they have been infected with.
One of our core values at Yemaachi is using technology to achieve our goal of expanding our knowledge of cancer. We are building next-generation software tools that use machine learning and other techniques to accelerate our clinical research and also deepen our analysis of the clinical and molecular data.
Ultimately, Yemaachi's goal is to lower the economic burden of cancer in Africa and contribute towards building sustainable biomedical research and community partnerships that aid in the advancement of medicine across Africa.
By building a globally competitive biotech company based in Africa, we are redefining what it means to be African.